presidents to represent me. I'm out for presidents to represent me.
Rockefeller,
I'm out for presidents to represent me. I'm out for every presidents to represent me.
well, I was spit that wonder rhymer shit. Me and my conglomerate shall remain anonymous. Caught up in the finest shit. Live out my dreams until my heart give out. And while we crave, you know exactly what the shit's about. Fuck y'all mean. Handling since a teen, I dish out like the point guard of your favorite team. Without doubt, my life ain't rosy, but I roll with it. My mind was fine till the dough hit it and told me that the mo did it. And now it's kosher shit, it's so acidic. I blow a digit on the diamond in a minute, but no bitches. Watch how I'm walking, cause even the thoroughest niggas be knocking, trying to strike a bargain, hoping that they might get pardoned. Shit, I'm involved, we got me pins and needles. And my cerebral beats, the wicked is evil. Thoughts that this more to feed you. P-facts, in the game so deep, fiends can catch ya. Freeze off my kneecap, can y'all believe that? Got the city drinking Chris Styles, we up the feet. Rappers going broke, trying to keep up with me. My rise the richest, surprise the bitches, think harder. You know this nigga, Jay-Z, Sean Carter, GS the fuck up, Dres the fuck up. Watch me shine like a Brightland, begets the fuck up. All rhymers forget it, like Alzheimer's. Small timers, I said it, I'm addressing all drama. Talk
Presidents
to
to represent me. I'm out for presidents to represent me.